We are providing GT services for those students who've been identified in the district as being GT students. We are providing them a chess and STEAM summer camp. This is for kinder through 8th grade. It allows the students to express themselves, go out there and move out of your comfort zone and be innovative. The GT department sponsors robotics, so we incorporate robotics into our sessions. We do have the K-Bot, which is for Kinder First, although it can be used with any grade level. The Dot and Dash, we have the Q, we have the NXT, and we have Mr. Robot over there. So we want to give the students an opportunity to not only code, but to have the application of coding. So we do have them work with the robots.
It really lets you show your creativity. It lets you have fun. It's really fun and exciting to just be here with your friends especially. I really like robotics because the coding is just super fun and exciting.
We also have chess. That's one of our main target areas because we know that chess is a good way to have the students' critical thinking stirred up. We want them to be able to strategize. We want them to be able to use their intellect not only to solve problems, but to think ahead.
I never really liked chess. I never had an interest in it, but now that I started coming here, I've learned how to move all the pieces and everything. I really like it.
We also have them attend a demo where they learn anything having to do with engineering. Today they made a mechanical arm. We want them to be able to see that engineering is something feasible, that it's not something that's very difficult that they can't accomplish. This year we did something new. We incorporated some nature studies. We have been taking the students out to different areas in the valley. El Saus Ranch, the Coastal Studies Lab in Raymondville, Quinta Mazatlan, Santa Ana Refuge, and the Hidalgo Pump House. It's one way for us to make sure that the kids at different levels are getting the STEM exposure that we want them to have.